All right, so when we talk about the wet layer, right? Okay, so this right here is still wet. Okay, see that? Still wet. So once I do this right here, I take this mud, okay, and I put it on this corner, just like this right here, right? And I stick it this way with this mud on the back of this and this together. It's gonna dry as one, okay? All right, the thing that you gotta understand is, you can't do it with Thinset, okay? You're gonna have to do it with mortar. But if you can get it like that, it's gonna be the harder to come off. Because as I explained to you, this mortar is still wet in this wire. So when this dries with this, everything's gonna be locked in. I took the stone apart to show you, okay? So that's how that works. So you can't do it with Thinset because Thinset is too slimy, okay? But if you're wondering why, when you tuck point, that the stone falls off when you lay on a cold wall, it's because all the water has been sucked out of the mortar before you even get a chance to bond to the wall on a cold wall. Like when we're working outside in the summer and we're squirting that bottle on the wall is hot, so it's sucking all the water out. Same thing as a cold wall. It don't give it time to bond. That's why a wet lay. So if you think about it, think about this. You're doing a 2-bond system. That means that when you coat this and it dries, the next bond is going to be what you put on the back of the stone to bond to this. But the goal is what? To bond to the wire. So why would we coat this, let it dry, and then try to lay on it again? So what would be what? Buying just a lot of mortar, correct? So when we wet lay, we coat it and then we put it on, okay? Just like that. So it's a one set, everything's together, everything dries as one. So when you coat it and you let it dry, everything is drying as two. That's a 2-set bond and it ain't gonna stick long.